And now we return to the Anthropocene with 3 ontological becomings as the sort of possible multiple pathways to best practice, which I will playfully engage with a little later, drawing on my friend Laura Smithers' work. So all of our things, whether natural or plastic, share agency with us humans. Things matter. And things, created in our minds as subservient and only act in as much as we give them credence to be, in fact, are setting their own agendas. While perhaps, similarly to Bruno Latour's assertion that we have never been modern, we might now recognize that complicit with our neoliberal regime, we have never actually been human. That is, we have never fully actualized our humanness in the idea of the Vitruvian man. Back to the beginning. But rather usurped ourselves into our current and possibly inevitable post-human necessities. Whether it be the sense of self we can only recognize through our online status updates, or the claims to personal wellness we can only make through the Fitbit techniques that we invite to become part of our bodies, our humanness can only emerge as far as it can be individually surveilled for its economic contribution to the competitive entrepreneurial esprit de corps. American Anthropocene in post-secondary education. The point here is that any critique of neoliberalism, particularly any critique of neoliberalism circulating within, without, and through post-secondary education, should recognize the post-human and non-anthropocentric necessity of social theory as we engage with science. For here, I believe, lies great promise. Post-humanist and non-anthropocentric ontological retaliation as academic activism as academic activism might indeed afford some salvation for those who want to imagine anew the knowledge imperative for democratic purposes and emancipatory regimes of pluralistic truths.